I think it's good. Something's glaring. Hey, bestie. My glasses is glaring for some reason. Before I stab myself. Hey, Tracy. How you feeling, Tracy? Look who it is. There she is. There you are. I'm going to wait till a few more gets in here. Thank you. But you don't have to do that. Don't waste your hard-earned money over here. On this app. You know, my favorite app in the whole world. We'll give it a few more minutes and then we'll do it. We'll open her up. I got my knife ready. Bestie, I know you're probably driving. Ain't supposed to be on your phone when you're driving. Hey, Emily. I can tell her what to do if I want. I got boxes back here and they're bothering me. Rosie! Rosie Posey. Hey, Nana. Well, thank you, Janelle. I appreciate that. Don't get in trouble at work for me. I'll replay it. I'll replay it. So don't ever get in trouble at work. We'll give you a few more minutes and then we're going to hop into it. It's a small box. And this is from rosiescrafting.com. But it is on her, is it Uncle Ethel or Aunt Ethel and Uncle Edward, whoever. You know, the e-shop. Hey, Jen. You know the e-shop over there. Is it Uncle Edward or Aunt Ethel? I can't remember. I got to write all this down for code words. Anyway, that's where her shop is at. It's called Rosie's Signs and More. That's Esther. Is it Aunt Esther? Okay. You can find Rosie's Signs and More at Aunt Esther. Hey, Sarah. I don't know where Uncle Edward's at. I don't know. He's over there somewheres. Hey, Joey. Hope everybody's doing good today. But this will be reposted. Like, I'll repost it again. Because it's not going to take that long. And, you know, in all the places. So, I say let's get into it. Like, we're 3 minutes in. Let's do it. So, this is from Rosie's Signs and More on the Esther. The Esther. Well, look who it is. Rosie gets tickled at me because sometimes I'll start my videos out like, well, look who it is. She gets tickled at me. Okay, so she's in the chat. And Esther, is it Aunt Esther or just Esther? Rosie's Signs and More. I will drop her link. I will drop the link after the video. After I repost the video, I will drop the link. And that way you can go to her shop and see what she has. So we have an event coming up June 20th. And it's an all-day event. And when I say it's all day, it's all day. It's like, starts at 9 a.m. with our host, Rosie, who's in the chat. And then it ends with Connie at 9 o'clock at night. Connie is constantly changing crafts. So it's going to be all day. And I come on at 1:30, I think. And these are all Eastern Standard Times. Aw. I'll have to cut that and hang it on my wall back here. So what I did, it is going to be fun. I'll be doing my first Halloween because I'm going to do a Halloween. So what I got is I ordered one of her kits and then I ordered some signs and hopefully for a multiple in my Esther shop. Hey, Maria. So, let's do the kit first, okay? We're going to do the kit first. So, what I got. Now, I will probably use this on a swag. Somehow, some way. The Boo Crew. Right here. And look. Look at the bows. Or the ribbon. Perfect. Hello, my sweet pineapple. Look at that. And then it comes, all her kits come all done. Like, all you have to do is just put it together. We have the candy corn. Hey, Brandy. You got the candy corn. You have the yellow to go with the candy corn. And we have polka dots. It's Rosie's, Sheila. It's you know who I'm talking about, Rosie. Rosie's Crafting. So here's the ribbons and here's the sign. Right here. Perfect. Then, of course, you get the pipe cleaners and the zip ties. Okay. I'll put that all back whenever I get finished. It comes with the 2 deco meshes. She loves her polka dots. I know she does. That girl's polka dot crazy. You just wanted to hear me say it? Rosie Signs and More. We have the little doodads to put. Is there a needle in there? Was there a needle in there? Never mind, there's a needle too. Look. Now, how nice is that? That is I don't do deco mesh very well because I'm not very good at it, but I'm really wanting to try. I won't do it at the event, but I am going to use this frame. I didn't even see it. And that's something you can use over and over and over. That's just a freebie. These go onto the little doodads, like the little pipe cleaner things. It works on everything. Well, I've never had one of those before. I've got some I don't have. You get the 2 deco mesh, and then you get the wreath frame. Sheila, I'd never find it on the craft room floor. But I do want to learn how to make some deco mesh wreaths. I've watched people. I've watched Rosie. I've watched everybody. I still can't get it down. Like, I just can't get it. I don't know why I can't get it, or maybe I'm just overthinking it. It's going if it hits the floor. There's no saving it, okay? But this was the kit, and it's still available if you go to Aunt Esther's or whatever, to Rosie's Signs and More. And I will drop her link in after the video. But here's this. That's going to be so cute, isn't it? Hey, Coach. So now, Misty come in just in time. Oh, I'm sorry, Drake. See, this is why I don't mention names, because I always forget people. You know my memory's not that sharp. Like, I sit and watch, and like I can't get it down. I feel like mine are all wonky. Like, I roll it up, but my ends are all just like this. Just every which way. Like, I don't get it. So I ordered these signs, and I'm hoping maybe multiples. I don't know. We're going to see. So here's my first sign. I ordered 2 of these. I figured you like that, Misty. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. I love this sign. I hope it is a multiple, because I'd like to design with this. I know that ring light bad. I just think this is, it's glam pumpkin. Glam pumpkin. That's what I'm going to call it. Glam pumpkin. Pumpkin. I love this sign. So I'm hoping for that. And I ordered this one. I ordered 2 of these. Hoping for a multiple. With the ghost. I really like this. This is really cute. Isn't it cute? I really like this one too. Like, it's not like scary or, you know. And the polka dot ribbon, I've got like the polka dot ribbon to match. So I won't have to buy no. He's a friendly ghost. I like friendly ghosts. You can put some bats in there. Are these popular? I just think it's cute. I hope I can order more. I'm hoping that these turn into multiples. But I know I got to get started on them. I know I got to get going on my Halloween. You like that purple one? Oh, the purple one's a big seller. I just think it's adorable. This will be my glam pumpkin, my glam one of the year. Because I'm so glam. Look at that. You could add some pink into it. I really love it. So, if anybody is watching on the replay, go to... You got that one too? I just, when I saw it, I'm like, I gotta have it. Like, it just spoke to me. And I like the little ghost too. I don't do like too much of any of the other. I don't do too many characters. I try to stay away from all that. You know, like the characters. I stay in enough trouble as it is. I don't need to be adding any more. Yeah, like I can show it real quick, Marisol. How you feeling today, honey? I'll show you the kit first, okay? So I ordered this kit off of Rosie, and you know who I'm talking about. Rosie's Crafting. So here are the ribbons for the bow and the ties. And then here's the sign, and it's metal. Here. And then, you know, it comes with the little doodad to go on a pipe cleaner and your pipe cleaner. And it comes with a needle. I didn't know it had a needle in it. Rosie said, don't lose that needle. I've never had a needle before. That is a great ribbon combination, isn't it? And then it comes with these two. They are in her shop. And with the frame. I don't know what size this is. What, 16? Is this a 16? Yeah, Rosie's over. Don't lose that needle. I'm like, what needle? Like, it's like, I'm amazed. I've never, 14? Okay. I've never, like, what, I don't order any Deco Mesh kits. Maybe that's the reason. But that is a nice touch for somebody who don't have anything like that or just starting out. That is such a nice touch. You get an A+ for that, Rosie. Yeah, because if you take somebody starting out, they don't know anything about that. Like me. But I just think the ribbon choices and the sign are just amazing. And then I got these signs for Halloween. I got 2 of each. I got this one. This is A+, Rosie. Isn't it? Did you get one too? I love it. I love it. And then I got the ghost. That'll be my glam Halloween. And this is Casper. We'll have to call him something else because you can't use Casper. But the friendly ghost. And that's what I got. Hopefully I'll have multiples. He is cute, isn't he? It could be a she because she's got blush on. It's probably a she. But anyway, I love my little thing. I'm going to cut that out. But if you're watching on the replay, I will drop her link to all the supplies and more. It's Rosie Signs and More. I will drop her eShop link. I just said link. I don't think you're supposed to say that, but anyway. And I will drop it underneath all my videos on all my platforms. This will be on my YouTube, Facebook, and everything. So all her information will be listed below. And then don't forget to join us June 20th here on TikTok, starting at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's an all-day event. And hey, Amber, it's an all-day event. And it's going to be a fun-packed day. So, starts with our host, Rosie, of rosiescrafting.com. I wasn't supposed to say .com, but here we go. And then it ends with Connie of Connie Constantly Changing Crafts. And then there's a bunch of Misty's going to be in there. I'm not sure what time she goes on. I go on at 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. So, if you have any questions or anything, you can message me. And thank you, Rosie, for getting this out so fast. I was kind of shocked. Like, I ordered signs from her before, and it was fast shipping. But I wasn't expecting this that soon. Like, it was really fast. So, or me too. Or me too what? What did I say? I went so fast. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoy your day. And yeah, you can message her too. Rosie's Crafting here. Please follow her. She's on Tuesday through Saturday. Am I correct on that? In the mornings here on TikTok. She goes on the FB and YouTube. She has it all. She has all the channels. She goes live. She does the overhead thing. She does like amazing, like Marisol. I'm glad you love it. But Rosie does all the things. She she has her own eShop where you can go shop her wreaths. She just does it all. Well, don't laugh too hard. I don't want you to get hurt. I know you're already in pain. But y'all have a great day. Keep watching out for all the flyers coming out for June 20th. And thank you, Rosie. And we will see you June 20th here on, well, you'll probably see it before then, but you know, for the event. What's the event called? I forgot. Is there a name to it? Look at my hair. It's just Rosie's Crafting event. We'll just go with that. How's that? Sounds good to me. We're good. We're good. All right. I shall talk to you later. Okay. Well, I think this Rosie's Crafting event would be fine. That way your name's incorporated in it and you don't have to worry about it. Rosie's Crafting. Rosie's Crafting event. Let's just roll with that one. I mean, sounds good to me. That's why it's easy for me to remember. All right? Well, you all have a great day. I'll talk to you later. I got to walk around the other side to turn it off. Oh, got to get around the table. And